Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, you probably noticed that this is a different background to what I usually film with, and I've also dyed my hair, and I've also kind of lost my voice because I'm sick, so a lot has happened since my last video. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick review for you today. So I've been kindly gifted by Cleanwhites. They've sent me their teeth whitening kit. So I wanted to get on camera today and do a full unboxing and trial of the product. I want it to be like as genuine as possible and give you like reviews, show how my teeth look before and after, so stay tuned to find out how good this is. The product is still sealed completely. It's got plastic wrapping, so I haven't opened it or anything to have a look inside. I'm going to be doing this all on camera, and then I'll be speeding through the lightening process and showing you how it looks at the end and seeing if it made much of a difference and kind of comparing it to the before and after. So yeah, I've been interested in trying teeth whitening kits for a while now. So usually Cleanwhites is about 120 New Zealand dollars, but they do have sales popping up every now and then. And yeah, basically I wanted to try like my own at-home teeth whitening because I mean, I've been interested to whiten my teeth, and going to a dentist can sometimes be a bit more expensive, and this kit, you know, you can use it on like at home while you're getting ready, while you're doing your makeup, or while you're doing your hair. You can just like keep it in your mouth to lighten your teeth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and literally rip into this with some keys. And show you what's inside the box. So this is what the box looks like from the inside. You get 4 syringes of the gel that you put into the mouthpiece, and you get this thing here, which is the thing that you put into your mouth, and it's got the blue light on it as well. So I've already like looked at this just as I opened it, and I realized there's like a clip inside here where the battery sits. So you've got to unlock this, take the battery out, and then remove a little plastic disc in there so that the battery works, because it's blocking that from working. In the box you get a instruction manual, and you get a teeth whitening shade guide. Inside this case here you get the gel molds. There's one for the bottom and the top. So to get started on the application, I need to get those gel molds and put them into boiling water to loosen them up a bit, and then to fit them more into like the shape of my teeth. And that's what it says on the instructions. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll come back and then show the rest of the process on camera. So I just wanted to show how white my teeth are now. So I'm about a 2 or 3, so if I could get it to about a 1, that would be ideal. Basically, I've submerged the mouth trays in hot water, hot boiled water. It says to boil the mouth trays like in a pot, but I figured boiling water would work similarly. And then I'm gonna have to place those mouth trays into my mouth and cover my teeth, and then suck in all excess air and water from my mouth. So it creates more of like a suction between the mouth tray and my teeth. And then I have to push them into my teeth to get a mold, so then I can trim it if it doesn't fit or if it's sitting on my gums or anything like that. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so these are the mouth trays. They're very malleable now. I'm going to use this one as the bottom one. And this one is the top, it's smaller. So I think I've molded it into my teeth decently now. I'm just going to trim off the little tags at the end. So now I'm just going to put some of this gel into the mold. That's my top one. Put that on a bit wrong, but I'm just going to move it to the top front. So as you can see, I've finished with the teeth whitening and my teeth are looking pretty white. So I'm pretty impressed. It was my first use using it, and I kind of positioned the gel inside it a little bit awkwardly. So I think next time I just focus on kind of trying to make sure I apply it properly. But otherwise, I think it was a really good product. Definitely would recommend it if you are trying to lighten your teeth at home. I'll show you how it looks on the teeth whitening guide. I think I'm looking at about a 1 to 2, which is like 1 is the lightest you can get on this chart. So yeah, I was sitting at about a 2 to 3 before, and I feel like I'm at a 1 maybe. If we're looking at the shade chart, you can see that I'm sitting at about a 2 to 1, and that was just from 1 use. So with this kit, it does recommend you use it daily for a few days to kind of see the results, but I've heard that people do find results from just 1 use, and I definitely have today. So I think it's a really good product to try out if you're after a whitening kit at home, and you know, it's a bit more affordable than going to a dentist, and you can, you know, do it while you're doing other things. I ended up touching up my makeup a little bit while I had it processing. So I think it is pretty cool in that sense, and I definitely give Cleanwhites a go because they're an awesome company. They're New Zealand based and their products work. Yeah, that is my review on the teeth whitening kit. It was my first time ever using it. It was my first time ever using a teeth whitening kit in general, so I was quite impressed. I think it's a pretty cool idea, and I love how easy it is and how you can just do it whenever you want, wherever you want really. So I think that was a pretty straightforward process to do, and I think next time I would have probably cut my molds in my mouth because I didn't actually think I needed to, but it kind of did hit my upper gums a little bit, so I definitely would trim it and not be lazy like I was. I feel like I genuinely liked this product, and I would actually recommend it to people to buy and try out themselves. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time.